Yung difference dito, may ano kagad eh. Pangalan to eh. May pangalan ng player na to. He has a reputation, a really good reputation as a hard-working player and
Naman mo rin dito sa Gensan Warriors, every time they go up against their opponents, they really make it difficult for you to do anything.
That's a great pass from Jack on the first possession, but Masaglang misses. And nandun naman si Larry Rodriguez.
Bagong threads.
Bagong threads ngayon ah.
Ganda.
Tolentino gets it to Larry Rodriguez. The outside sniping provided by Larry Rodriguez.
And go up against their opponents, they really make it difficult for you to do anything.
That's a great pass from Jack on the first possession, but Masaglang misses. And nandun naman si Larry Rodriguez.
Si Larry, nagkwentuhan eh. Sabi niya, baka naman tumakbo ka pa pare, huwag ka naman tumakbo. But sabi ni Larry, hindi, laban lang tayo. Iba na tong labanan ngayon.
Gab Dagangon. 5-3 is the count. Here's Masaglang. Drives. Oh, nice runner from Big Masaglang. And for a change, got 2.5 minutes gone by in this first period. Jackson Corpus knocks down the jumper.
Pangatlong beses na nakakatanggap ng bola.
They have enough, players na you can actually beat, defenders off the bounce. But look at that layup from Arwin.
Layo ng take-up ni Arwin Santos doon. Really just nobody on him as he tried to go into that paint. Got that paint touch. Again, Kyle Tolentino knocked it down a 3 very early, but that's from the outside trying to test it. Pero kanina nakaisa na siya. Ito, mintis naman yung pangalawa.
Arwin Santos getting the lift on that jumper.
Quick, staying active offensively for Basilan early in this game.
1-point lead here for Gensan. Jackson Corpus. Piso-piso lang.
Pero binabantayan mo naman sa Basilan, yung ganda mga feed and assist nila, just like this one right here. Really just very able passers itong mga player ng Basilan.
Well, here's Alex Cabagnot. Gets it to Adi Santos. Yes.
Adi Santos palagi yan. Suki yan ni Alex Cabagnot.
Bola ng Gensan. Cruz. Bringas with a jumper. Got it.
Well, that's twice already here in the first quarter that they've been successful.
Marvin for 3. Off the mark. Calo leaking out. Nandun si Cruz. Drop pass. Calo. Second serving for Herman Calo.
Grabe, pag nakita mo yung situation na yung kanina. Yes.
Valacuña for 3. Yes. Finally.
Well, shooters always have a short memory. Forget about those couple of
basketball, but misses on that fadeaway though.
And you love the mobility of
who?
Cruz, but
Jervy Cruz as well.
Jervy Cruz as well. That's right. It was a jump.
Tonton misses that one. Jervy leaking out, and he scores.
Jervy Cruz looking good so from his teammates.
5 straight points for Jervy, and Valacuña on the move. Knocks down that jumper.
Dito na pumapasok. Defend full length of the floor. Oh, man.
Nakaagol na naman ng Basilan, and that's a layup para kay Adi.
Agree.
With all the with all the high IQ players there and really solid veterans, but Eloy Tan, Gensan with the answer.
To create spaces to blast that corner 3. Good drive and dive inside.
Ito naman ang hindi mo matatawaran sa Basilan, the way they execute. Oson to Arwin. Takes the 3, nothing but net.
Maganda ang gising.
Seen it all and won it all.
Correct.
So, iba yung
kumpiyansa
kasi ng ganun eh. Tolentino with a stop and a finish.
Understanding na sa dulo ang nagiging resulta. Wala.
Ball now, Corpus. Provides the pick for Ilorde. Corpus with a 3.
And how many more times will Basilan continue to drop cover?
Certainly allow a certain degree of physicality, lalo na dito sa playoffs. But siyempre yung mga sobrang obvious, mahirap yan. Jimboy Pastoran with a 3. Cruz. Jervy peeks at the clock. That's a tough one against his former team. Jervy Cruz has 9. Other way, Jensen. Acuna. Junicio back to Val Acuna. Marwin tracks down the miss and puts it in for 2.
Crashing the offensive board after a missed 3.
10 seconds in the shot clock. Kyle gets it back. He'll launch the 3 and rattle that one home.
There you go.
Reset here. Acuna. Yes,
Oh,
back-to-back 3s. And no. Rebound won by Cabagnot. Tolentino is there. Eloy Tan attacks. Leaves it to Tolentino with a finger roll.
Oh, you really see the effort of Kyle Eloy.
Ikaw ba? Na-experience mo yun eh.
Oh, pero kaya release ka.
Ah.
I don't coach Maui kasi ayoko mananaig yung pagiging tatay ko.
Again. Marwin Santos with an easy 2.
Well, those guys that actually missed those 3s had really good look. Right now, they're trying to push the pace here.
Liu will finish on the break.
Ganda ng pagkakatapos na yun. A lot of energy on Joe Under Adi.
They go to Cabagnot against Liu. Misses the layup. Adi Santos keeping it alive and puts it in. He's got 12 in the ball game. Talagang lumayo ng todo itong mga kupunan natin, no?
Agree.
There's just masyadong matched up very well eh. And Arwin Santos, the very point so far.
Doing the other stuff para dito sa Basilan. Straight up 3.
Oh yeah, that is money para kay Mark Cruz and
Right in front of every Jensen Warrior.
that's a steal. Mark Cruz, Liu leaves it to Larry Rodriguez for the finish.
And you know, that really is turning up the defense.
Cabagnot with the steal and the finish. Can't be casual with the basketball when Alex Cabagnot is on. It's into Adi Santos. Tempra inside. Good play, Adi Santos. Connecting everyone there.
Ganda ng movement doon. Point blank.
Dagangon, jump stop, fires and hits.
Ang klase yung komportable na tira na yung kay Gab Dagangon. Sanay na sanay.
7 points para kay Gab Dagangon. It's down to 8 ang lamang ng Jensen. Tolentino fires a 3. And that's a big-time shot. Galing kay Cal Tolentino. He's up to 14 points.
Catching it and shooting it.
Calo to Dagangon. Well defended, but no problem para kay Gab Dagangon. 2-61. Pastoran drops it off to Tempra. What a finish. And James Tempra against the defense of Cal. Off-balance shot, short. Adi Santos doing what he does best with that rim run. Dagangon to inbound. He gets it back. That's a tough look for Gab Dagangon. What a shot! Player career-wise dito sa floor natin. Arwin gets it back and will finish. Off the feed from Gab Dagangon. Liu trying to chase that basketball. It's a turnover. Eloy Tan to Corpus. He puts it in.
Well, Alex did the best that he could to try and stop that pass and that shot first.
Oh, 0 for 2 for Jack. He gets it back. The extra pass. Eloy Tan for 2. The presence of mind there from Jackson Corpus. That is his. Here's Marwin. Under a minute remaining. 8 seconds in the shot clock. Eloy Tan against Cabagnot. Uses the Corpus pick. Tan with a getaway. That's a big play from Eloy Tan.
Defense at the back end really getting outnumbered.
Cabagnot misfires and Corpus with a rebound ahead to Tan. And Eloy Tan.
Especially here in the fourth quarter.
Yeah, in the fourth quarter, this is where his team needed him the most. And the Jensen Warriors Gapdagangan scores that one. And the Jensen Warriors will take game 1 of this best of 3 South Division quarterfinal series